Zoals je weet, heel rustig voor een Nederlandse zijn het nango Israël Zulu en maar zo goed dat hij fought. Okay. But it's going to go to lingisi enimthanda udumile uyaphawula naye ngalento yabantu bokufika uthi ngifuna ukuthi nizwele ukuthi uthini but nje into engayi-highlight ayisho ukuthi it is so unfair because bona mabe ko-Zimbabwe bahlala bekhunjuza ukuthi ayike kusasa ake ndoda ayigubhe kusasa futhi ngeke ukuthi uye eZimbabwe ufike ukuthi uyovula i-supermarket yabo yoqanasa and ngeke usuke la uye-America kuyisigebengu ufunda ufike uhlale e-America so into esibulawe kakhulu lento yobuntu yangithola ubuntu busilimazile and ezingenza ukuthi ubuntu busilimaze ngempela ubuntu nje kwesinye isikhathi inhliziyo enhle kuyithiwa imsiza umnikazi thina nje singabanye abantu inhliziyo enhle esibeke la sikhona sekunzima manje umqondo ubuya late but anyway asishone yona event
Zimbabwe 3 times. They remind me tomorrow you leaving. Don't forget. Yes. And I can't go to a foreign country and put a check or a sponsor for it. Yeah. It's unfair for the South Africans. Yeah. We as the South Africans, we are welcoming. Yeah. We are the only person that have this thing called Ubuntu. Yeah. That's why we are Abantu. Yes. But in another way, Ubuntu has killed us, has compromised us. Yes. Our world was taken because of this thing called Ubuntu. Yeah. But these are our brothers and sisters. They work for us. They do grass for us. They are domestic workers. We pay them. We live with them. But a correct law has to be followed. Yeah. So I live by the law myself. Yes. I can't fly to United States of America because I have criminal records. Yeah. I don't get a visa. Yes. So, but a criminal from Zimbabwe can come to South Africa. Yes. Really. It's totally unfair. Yeah. So this is the time to do things.